Welcome to Alona Computer Repairing Shop, where winning your heart is our top priority. We greet you with a smile because your comfort matters. Listening actively helps us understand your needs. Your concerns are our concerns. We empathize with your situation and work diligently to provide tailored solutions that highlight the benefits you deserve. We believe in exceeding expectations, whether it's a surprise service or an extra tip to enhance your experience. After your visit, we follow up to ensure your satisfaction and gather your valuable feedback. Personalizing our service by addressing you by name shows how much we appreciate your loyalty. We're here to educate you, empowering you to make informed decisions about your tech. Our team responds promptly to your queries because your time is important to us. Thank you for choosing us. Your business is truly valued. Remember, every interaction is an opportunity for us to build trust and create lasting loyalty.